This is a Raya box number 3 made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The Raya box number 3 has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. If you like the Raya box number 3 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the Raya box number 3. So first of all, you have to take a close look at the parts. There are 4 T-shaped pieces and 2 L-shaped parts. And what you have to do is what I usually do. Actually, you have to put parts in a way how they will be inside of the frame. So these two T-shaped pieces will be here, then 2 L-shaped parts like that, and then 2 more pieces, and that is how you solve the puzzle. But now you have to put everything inside the frame, and this part will be a little bit more trickier, since you have to start solving the puzzle by putting these 2 T-shaped parts inside. One goes here, another one goes next to it, and you have to fit it like that. Then you grab one of these parts, and as you can see, you can only put it through the middle opening where there is a little bit bigger cutout. Then you slide it to the left and here. Then you put another one to the left and to the front. Now the tricky part, you have to lift the first T-shaped piece up. To do that, I have to flip the box. Now you have to tilt the box this direction so that the second T-shaped piece will go under the first T-shaped piece, and then 2 L parts will drop down. As you can see, now the parts are inside of the frame and it seems like it is impossible to remove them. And now the easiest part, you have just to add 2 more T-shaped parts and the puzzle will be solved. And that is the solution of the Raya box number 3. Great puzzle from Yavuz Demirhan. If you would like to try other puzzles from the Raya box series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.